Semantic Index for Copilot improves the search experience across Microsoft 365 in addition to information retrieval used to ground Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 responses. And a great way to demonstrate the Semantic Index for real is by showing two sets of search results in SharePoint, one without leveraging the Semantic Index and one with it. So here we're searching on Project Melbourne Shiproom. Notice that we have a typo on the left with the semantic index. And you can see results are retrieved based on keywords and ranking, as well as last modified date for relevance, and a file summary for context, but it's not the specific information that we're looking for. Conversely, on the right, the semantic index, instead of providing just a list of links, notice its informative answer right at the top. And you can see that the index has also mapped semantic signals such as people, relationships, and recent activities surrounding the content that the user has access to help determine the intent of the search and formulate an answer. Semantic Index for Copilot improves the search experience across Microsoft 365 and will help ground your prompts. Once you've deployed Copilot, you can add Microsoft Graph connectors in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center in the search and intelligence experience to work with the Semantic Index for Copilot. If you're already using Graph connectors with Microsoft 365, those will work without any changes, and there are options for common data sources that you can see listed here as well. In this example, I'll set up an enterprise website and it will display a few options to find the site, as well as who can search the data source and whether connector results are shown in search. Then for even more options, I can go into the advanced settings for more granular configuration with options to define meta tags, exclusions, semantic property labels, and schema, as well as search permission. And once you have a connection up and running, you'll be able to see and take advantage of integrated results using SharePoint search and Microsoft 365 search with the connected site. In this case, I'll just perform a simple search for troubleshooting instructions. And results are found in SharePoint locations as well as our connected external site. And you'll notice that the result provided is similar to my search query and in the context with my role, but actually does not contain any of the keywords from the query. It found the semantic match and I simply got the answer I was looking for.